Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you remember in last video I have discussed about why we need what a string buffer, right? So what is the reason? What is the significance of a string buffer? So we can use a string buffer, right? So what is need in our Java? So I hope you guys already have seen that video, right? So guys, in this video I am going to explain one most important concept as well in our string buffer, that is what all those important constructors we have in our string buffer class. You can see here is point number 12. That thing I am going to explain today in this video. So here, without any further delay, we'll start our discussion, right? So what all those important constructors we have in our string buffer? Okay? Yes. So topic is all important constructors of string buffer class. Right? So guys, that is our today's discussion. All important constructors of string buffer class. Okay? Yes. So let's see. So in this video, I will discuss what all those important constructors we have in our string buffer class. Right? Yes. So guys, before discussion of this constructor, there is a small point I have to discuss, which is very important. Then I will start our what all the important constructor. So guys, what is that important point? So guys, what is that important point? Guys, who is coming first time in my YouTube channel? So please subscribe and share among your friends. Right guys? I hope. Yes. So guys, see what is the important point before starting the constructor guide. So guys, see, please be concentrate. Guys, see, suppose if I am going to create one string object guide. What guide? A string object. Suppose a string s equals to new string. Right? You know very well, right? This is the way by which we can create the string object. Right? In that, suppose I am going to pass content as Java, right? Which is favorite content for me, guys. So every time passing Java only, right? That is the favorite because you are learning Java, guys, right? So guys, see, this is guys a string I have created, right? So guys, you know very well, right? So this Java is referenced by our guy, that is s, right? You can see, right? You can see that object is referenced by s, right? Yes. Okay, guys, till now I hope you shouldn't have any confusion. Very simple, guys, because this thing I've explained so many times previously, right? Yes. So we created one string object, that is Java referenced by s. Guys, same place I will create one string buffer object as well, guys. One string buffer sb equals to new string buffer. In that also I am going to pass what? Java. Okay, I'm going to pass Java, right? Yes. Okay. So at this time also you can see one object will create, that is Java only, right? That is Java only, right? That is referenced by object SB. Yes or no? That's very interesting. Please understand first. Might be you don't know this concept, what I'm going to explain now. Okay. So that is SB, correct? Yes. Till now, I hope you should not have any confusion. I have created two objects. One is a string object. That Java is our what? Content is referenced by our reference variable S, and in this time with StringBuffer I have created one object referenced by SB. Right? Again. Here there is one small point is there, so you need to understand first. Here this one small point is there, but it is important. A small point, but it is important. Guys, see, once you create any string object, is any chance to change its content? Guys, if you create any string object, is any chance to change its object? Not at all. Yes or no, guys? Not at all, because due to its immutability concept, you cannot change its content. If you cannot change its content, then what is the length of this object, guys? If you are not able to change its content, then guys tell me what is the length of this object, guys? Guys tell me what is the length of this object, guys? What is length of this object, guys? Any idea? Length, guys. Length equal to how much? Can you tell me? 4, guys. You can see JAV 4 only, right? Correct, guys. And guys, can you tell me what is the capacity? What is the capacity, guys? Capacity means, guys, size. Capacity means size of this object, guys. What, guys? Size, right? Yes or no? Capacity means size or capacity, right? Yes or no? Equal to how much, guys? 4 only, right? Yes or no? Because the size of this object is 4. In also, guys, in a string class we have one method, right? That is length method. With the help of length method, you can find out what is the size of this object, what is the length of this object. You know very well, right? Because with the help of length method, you can find out this thing. Correct, guys? But guys, if you move in our StringBuffer concept, guys, can you tell me what is the length of this object? What is the length of this object, guys? Can you tell me what is the length of this object, guys? 4 only, right? Definitely length will be 4. Guys, then one question, what is the capacity of this object? Same like guys, what? A string. What is the capacity of a string or object, guys? Capacity equal to what? That, guy, as of now, put question mark. Okay, what is the capacity of this object? 4 or question mark? Do you have any idea, guys? If you have any idea, it's well and good. If you don't have, I will explain very briefly. Because you know very well, in StringBuffer class, what? In StringBuffer class, we have one method, that is capacity. What is, guys? That is capacity. Guys, why I'm explaining this thing? Because it is important to explain all the important constructor what we have in our StringBuffer class. If you don't know what is the exact meaning of capacity, then might be you will not understand what all the important constructor, how it's behaving, how the behavior of this constructor. That's why guys, my main motto is before explaining the constructor. So you need to understand what is capacity of a respective object of a string buffer, not a string. Right? Because here I am going to learn constructor of a string buffer, not the string. That's why I will explain you what is the exact meaning of capacity in terms of a string buffer object. Guys, see, I am giving one small example by which you can understand what is the capacity. What is the capacity? Guys, see, this is example, guys. This is one example. Okay. To understand about capacity. What, guys? Capacity. Okay. Example to understand what capacity. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, concentrate. Guys, suppose if I am taking one online class, guys. Suppose if I am taking one online class, right? Not online, offline class. Suppose I am taking one offline class, guys. This is, guys, suppose one offline class of what? Java mind. Name of our what? Offline class. What? Java mind tricky. Any doubt? You should not have that. You should not have that. So our offline class name is Java mind tricky. Right? Yes. Guys, see. Suppose in this class I have what? 50 student capacity, guys. In this class I have suppose 50 capacity, guys. Okay. Suppose, guys, this is a chair. You can assume this is a, guys, chair. Okay. This is a chair. So we have suppose how many chair, guys? 50 chair if we have, right? So, guys, total capacity of how many students they can sit, guys? So 50 students sit in the classroom. Okay, yes or no? So, guys, 50 students can sit in the classroom. So, guys, don't see this is 50 or not. Just I'm assuming. Suppose if we have 50 chair in the classroom, that means 50 students may sit in the classroom. Okay, yes or no? Yes. Obviously, get credit. Okay, see, suppose in one day only 20 students came. Guys, suppose if one day only 20 students came. Suppose, guys, this is 20 students, right? Guys, suppose this is 20 students came one day. Suppose one day only 20 students came. 20 students came. Suppose only one day only 20 students came. That guy, total capacity how much, guy? What, guy? Total capacity how much? Total capacity how much गया 50, right? Total capacity is 50 to sit in the classroom. Yes or no? But yeah, one day only 20 students came. Guy, you know one thing. So capacity means how many students they can sit in the classroom. How many students sit in the classroom? That is a capacity. But how many students came in any specific day? Suppose some day 20, some day 30, some day 40. So that particular day, how many students came? That is called length. That is called length. And how many capacity we have to sit the student in the classroom? That is called capacity. I have understood. So capacity is 50 and length is what? 20. Because 20 students came only in a specific day. But we have 50 seat. So they students will come and they can sit. But by any reason that day came only 20 students. So that is the main difference. What? Length and capacity. So a string buffer. So in a string buffer, what is the initial capacity? What is the initial capacity, That thing I want to tell you, right? That thing I want to show you. What is the initial capacity of the string buffer class? Because if I want to know what is the default capacity of string buffer, how many characters they can hold, how many characters can hold by our string buffer object, that is called capacity. Yes or no? But length of this object is 4. You know very well, right? You can see here the length of this object is 4. But how many maximum character it can hold? It means string buffer can hold. That thing by main motto. So we need to understand this thing first. So what is the our capacity and what is the length? Length is 20 and capacity is 50. So same thing you can see here. Length is 4 but initial capacity you don't know. That thing you may have question. So sir or Amit, can you tell me what is the initial capacity of what? String buffer. So it can hold the object. Yes or no? So that's why we have explained this thing. So first you need to understand what is capacity. Because with capacity only we have two constructors. So constructor number 1. Constructor number 1. Constructor 1. What is that constructor? So what is first constructor? What is first constructor? Guys, see, first constructor is, I will explain here. So a string buffer SB equals to new string buffer. String buffer. Suppose if I am going to pass default, so not sure, 0 parameter constructor. So no parameter. So non-parameterized. So this constructor is called what? 0 parameter. 0 parameter. Parameter. Or you can say what? Non-parameterized. Yes or no? Non. Yes, okay. So this constructor you can known by what? 0 parameter constructor or non-parameter constructor. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? It is non-parameter constructor. Right? So then one question arises, right? So it is non-parameter constructor. then what is the capacity of this constructor guy? What is the by default? What is the initial capacity of this constructor? Suppose if you are going to add something, right? Suppose sb dot append, right? Because we have append method in our StringBuffer class. So guys, don't worry, I will explain in coming video all important method what we have in our StringBuffer class. So among that, one method is there, that is append method. If you're going to add, guys, so guys, this is append method, right? Suppose append mind, right? Okay, guys, yes or no? So guys, first we need to understand what is the initial capacity of this constructor, guys. Yes or no? So guys, so initial capacity of StringBuffer is 16, guys. What is initial capacity of StringBuffer? 16. So guys, I will show this thing with an example with our code, guys. Then you can understand. Yes. So what is the initial capacity of StringBuffer is 16. That's why guys, I have given here question mark. So length you can see here 4. But what is the maximum character it can hold? Okay, see, suppose what I have told, initial capacity of StringBuffer is what? 16, guys. What? Initial capacity, right? Initial capacity of StringBuffer. What, guys? Of StringBuffer is how much, guys? Is 16, guys. Okay, then you may have one question. Amit, tell me one thing. If initial capacity of StringBuffer is 16, suppose if it contains 16 object, then how it will hold more than 16? Suppose then how it can hold 17th object, or it can hold 18th object, guys. So guys, you know, for that purpose you have one formula. We have one formula, guys. So new capacity. Suppose if our 16, or you can understand, guys, in this way. Suppose initial, guys, capacity is 16. Suppose initial capacity is, guys, 16. Okay. Suppose 16, guys. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Suppose whatever 16, guys. Right? So guys, if 16 is done, then if you want to insert 17, then what is the formula? So guys, in same as collection, guys, internally also they are going to grow the size. Internally it is growing the size, just like collection, guys. You know very well array list, because you can say we know, right? So collection is growable in nature, right? Collection is growable in nature. So internally it is going to increase the size, right? So developer or programmer doesn't worry about the size. Whatever you can give size, it will increase internally, right? Yes or no? So guys, in same way, so StringBuffer as well. So guys, internally it will increase the size. So guys, but what is the formula to increase the size internally? That thing you should aware, right? So guys, see, new capacity, right? So new capacity of StringBuffer, guys. StringBuffer equal to, guys, you know, current capacity plus 1 current capacity plus 1 multiply by 2. That is, guys, our what? New capacity of StringBuffer, guys. That thing you need to understand. I will show, guys, this thing I will show with an proof. Don't worry, I will prove. I will give the proof, guys, when I will run the application, guys. So guys, this is first constructor, right? So which is 0 parameter constructor or non-parameter constructor, you can say. So default initial capacity is 16. So guys, now you can say, so this is 16 guys, yes or no? I will show guys, don't worry. So guys, that is 16 guys, that is 16, right? That is 16. I will explain you. So guys, now let's move in our ID. I will show is it yes or no. So what I have told is coming 16 or how it is guys, right? Yes. So guys, now let's move in our ID. I will create one class string buffer constructor, right? We will have one main method finish, right? Yes. Okay, you can see we have one method along with our string buffer constructor, right? Yes. Go guys, see. So what I have to do first? This is first constructor, right? This is first constructor, right? This is first constructor of what? String buffer, right? So let's see. So string buffer SB equals to new string buffer. Guys, you can see. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Yes. Guys, see. So guys, what I have told you. So if you want to know what is the initial capacity of this string buffer constructor, right? So guys, very simple. You can print sysout sb dot we have one method guys, capacity. They return the int. It will tell you how much size it has, right? What is capacity of this string buffer constructor, right? Guys, see. So guys, you can write some message here. You can write some message here, right? Capacity of constructor, right? Capacity of constructor is, or guys, you can write default capacity, right? Default capacity of string buffer string buffer constructor is. Yes, no, guys? Yes. So guys, now first I will run the application. We'll see. So I have told guys expected should be what? 16 guys. Yes or no? Already mentioned you initial capacity of string buffer is 16. That I will show you. So yeah, first I will run the application. We'll see the output is coming expected or not. Guys, see. Default capacity of string buffer constructor is 16. Guys, you know what I told. Is it correct or not? Is it correct or not? Guys, yes or no? Yes. Guys, see. Then second thing. If I want to add 17th character. So if I want 17th character, 16th character till it will give same result, guys. Yes or no? Guys, you can see. Suppose if you want to add, so sb dot append. We have one append method, guys. Append. Suppose if I'm going to write here mind, right? Suppose I'm going to write mind. Guy, I want to print what sysout sb. So then you can see what result be printing guy. Mine guy, because we're appending. This is nothing we have in this constructor. We're going to append mine. It's coming mine guy. But guy, you can see. So after that guy, I'm going to append sb dot append SB dot one minute SB dot append. Guys, see, this is 4 character, right? This is 4 character. So if I am going to add here 13 character, guys, so 13 plus 4, 17. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So how much character? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So is it 15? This is 4 guy. 19. Yes or no? That is 19 guy. So guy, you know. Now what will be the capacity? Guy, now what will the capacity, guy? So guy, it is automatically internally increment the size or capacity, guy. So it will increment what? Internally. So guy, will show this time, guy, the capacity of StringBuffer is 34. Why, guy, 34? I will explain you. First we'll run the application, we'll see. So 34 is coming or not? Guys, see 34. Guys, you may confuse. How Amit 34 is coming? How Amit 34 is coming? Guys, see, come here. So what is the new capacity? What, guys? New capacity? Understand here. Can capacity get 16 plus 1 multiply by, guys, how much? 2. Guys, tell me how much? 34 or not? 34 or not, guys? Yes, guys, it is 34. Yes or no? 34 coming or not? So that's why you can see, guys, this time capacity is coming 34. Guys, see 34. Guys, tell me yes or no? 34 coming or not? 34 coming or not? Obviously, guys, it will come 34 only, right? It will come 34 only, right? Yes or no? It will come 34 only, right? Guys, yes or no? It coming 34 or not? So guys, that is the main thing you need to understand. So default capacity of StringBuffer is 16. So guys, suppose in next case, guys, suppose if I am going to add SB dot append that, guy, I am passing some more character, guy. Yes or no? Guy, now you can tell me what will be the capacity of this 70, guy. See 70. Why, guys? You know very well, right? You can see, guy. Why 70, guy? You know very well. So guy, earlier 34 plus 1 divided by, sorry, not divide, 2 equal to 70. Yes or no? Yes or no? So guys, that is growable in nature. That is growable in nature. Only you are going to enhance the capacity. You are increasing the character. It is internally growing the capacity. So guys, that is the first constructor we have in our StringBuffer what class, guys. And then see second constructor, guys. What? Second constructor. Second constructor. This is second constructor, guys, of StringBuffer. So you know, second constructor means, guys, this time we can pass what as per our expectation, guys. Guys, this time you can see we have one constructor, guys, that is int capacity, guys. So guys, it's up to you how much size you want to provide to this object, how much size, how much capacity you want to provide to this respective StringBuffer object. Guys, suppose I am going to pass 1000 guys. I am going to pass 1000. So guys, you can print this result. So this is printing 1000 or not? Obviously guys, it will print 1000 guys. Guys, see. Come here and print this result guys. SB1. Guys, see. This time you can see it will print 1000 guys. Why it's not printing? Give me 1 second guys. It is printing 70 only. Give me 1 second guys. What happening? 1 minute. So if I'm going to print 1000, right? So this time I'm going to give as per our capacity, right? So this time it should print what? Our size will be what? 1000, right? Yes. Okay, one second. StringBuffer 1000. So if we are going to comment, so if we have only one object as of now, suppose, then what should be the result for this, right? So suppose this is our second constructor, right? Yes. So why it is not printing? So it should print guy 1000, right? 1 minute. Give me 1 second. New StringBuffer in capacity, right? This time I'm going to provide capacity as suppose 1000 or 100, whatever. Okay. So I'm going to print. Okay. Sorry guys. So what I'm doing mistake, see, I'm going to print one of this object, but I want to find out the capacity, right? See guys, everything is correct only. Everything is correct only. Nothing is wrong here. So SB1 dot capacity, right? I want to find the capacity, right? I want to find the capacity, right? So this is guys second constructor. If I want to find the capacity, right, of this respective StringBuffer object. So guys, see, this time we can see our result should be 1000 only. So it means what? It depends upon your requirement. Suppose if you want to keep the size 1000, okay, so that till 1000 it will not auto increment. When the capacity will reach at 1000 guys, same way it will automatically increase. Guys, how? That is the way. So 1000 plus 1 plus 1 and guys, then it will multiply by 2 and equal to guys, you know how much? So 2002. Listen guys. So guys, that should be the that should be the size when it will reach the maximum capacity after giving our size. Yes, okay. So guys, that is our second constructor. So as per your requirement, you can initialize the size, guys. Guys, that is important constructor we have in our StringBuffer class. Guys, see. Then guys, see, we have third important constructor. We have third important constructor as well, guys. You can see here. what is third important constructor. So you know what is third important constructor. So let's see, for a given string, an equivalent string buffer will be created, guys. What, guys? For a given string, an equivalent string buffer will be created, guys. So how, guys? I have already explained, guys, this concept also in our string class constructor. So how, guys? You hope remember, guys. So let's see, suppose if you are going to create a string, right? A string s equal to new string, right? Yes or no? In that, guy, you can see, okay, this is I am explaining a string class constructor. Don't worry, I will explain a string buffer constructor, guy. You can see, so in a string class, guy, you have one constructor, guy. You can pass the string buffer object in a string constructor. Yes or no, guy? You can see it, this constructor, right? So you have a string buffer constructor, right? In this way also you already used such type of concept. Means what? For a given string buffer, an equivalent what string is created. Yes or no? But guys, in this case, in string buffer class, for a given string, an equivalent string buffer is created. How, guys? You can see it. Suppose a string buffer, yes or no? sb1 equals to new string buffer. Okay, you can see now. Guys, see. They are not string buffer, str, right? So guys, you can pass this one. Guys, you know. So guys, suppose if you're passing, guys, here. Suppose if you're passing here as a Java. Guys, see. Suppose if you're passing Java, right? Guys, suppose if you're passing Java as a content in a string, then guys, this string reference is going to pass here, right? Guys, yes or no? Guys, yes or no? This time I can give here 2. Okay. So let's see, if I want to print sysout sb2, then guys, you know what it will print? What it will print, guys? Suppose, guys, I am writing here sb2 dot append mind. Guys, tell me, this is your interview question. Okay, so what should be the result? What should be the output, guys? So how you're going to convert immutable to mutable? This question may come in your interview or in your certification. So how you're going to convert immutable object to mutable? Guys, line number 20 you can see. This is, guys, immutable, right? Yes or no? A string is a immutable object. But guys, you are passing this immutable object into mutable, right? A string is a mutable, right? Then you're going to append mind. Guys, then tell me what should be the output for that? Java or Java mind? Okay, obviously it should be Java mind. Yes or no? Because you are going to convert, you're going to pass the reference to mutable. Yes, is a mutable, guys. So here you can see what response is coming? Java mind. Yes or no? I will run the application, we'll see result. Don't worry. Okay. Guys, see. Coming or not? So guys, that is our third constructor, guys. That is our third constructor in our what? Okay, third constructor in our what, guys? String buffer class. So guys, this is also an important interview question, right? So how is going to convert immutable object to mutable object? So you're passing string reference in our string buffer constructor. Yes or no? You're passing string reference to our in string buffer constructor, and we can print the result. So that way we can convert what? Our string immutable object to mutable, right? So okay, one more interview question, one more. So guys, that 3 is only most important constructor we have in our StringBuffer class, and what all are there is not important, we are not going to use frequently, but these 3 are the very important what we need to aware. Okay, what we need to understand. Okay, so guys, one interview question guys, one interview question I'm writing here guys first. So guys, see, suppose if I'm interview question, right, interview important interview question, important interview question. What important question guy? So you may have curiosity, right? What question guy, Amit? What question, Amit? This is important for interview, right? So guys, see, understand here. Guys, see, if I'm going to get one StringBuffer object, StringBuffer SB equals to what? New string buffer, right? And that guy I am passing Java. I'm passing Java, right? Yes. Good guy. I'm passing Java. And guy, I want to print sysout, okay, SB dot capacity. Guy, tell me what is the output? What is the output there? What is the output? Why you are writing here? This is the output guy. What? Output guy. What? Output guy. What? Guy, tell me what is the output? So suppose if I am giving option 1 4, option 2, okay, option 2 16, option 3 suppose 16 into 4 64, and again option 4 suppose guys 16 plus 4 20. Guys, tell me these are the option. Import interview question guys, StringBuffer SB equal to new StringBuffer Java sysout SB dot capacity. Guys, can you tell me what is capacity? It is 4, it is 16, it is 64 or 20. Guys, tell me, anyone, any idea? If you are thinking you are expert in the StringBuffer, if you are thinking, if you are more experienced guy in the StringBuffer concept, then tell me this answer. What should be the answer for this? In my offline class guy, most of the candidate is confused. Okay, and here definitely 2 options you may what? Remove. Okay, this is first you are thinking it should not be this option, and again this option also it should not be. It may be 4, it may be 16. Yes or no? You are thinking, it seems you are thinking it may be 4, it may be 16. Okay, yes or no? Might be you are thinking it may be 4, it may be 16. Guy, it is not a 4, not a this one. Answer is, you know what? The answer is, you know, 20. Answer is 20. Answer will be 20. How guys? Because for that we have one formula guys. One formula. Capacity equal to guys. Capacity equals to, you know. So first you need to see what is the length of this object. So s dot length. What guy? S dot length. So what this method will not s guy. So sb dot length. Okay. So first guy, length plus what guy? Default capacity. What? Default capacity. Yeah, how much? That thing give the answer guy. So guy, you can see. So guy, length is guy. So sb dot length, not s dot sb dot. Sorry, sb dot length. So guy, it will give how much? 4 guy. Yes or no? 4. Right? Plus what guy? Default capacity how much? Variable at 16. Then guy, it is total how much? 20 or not? So this thing I will give the proof guy. Don't worry. I will show. Don't think Amit will give only explanation. I will give the proof guy. Don't worry. Every time what I'm going to the solution or what I'm going to explain, I will give the proof. Then I am satisfied. Okay, guys, see. We come in our ID guy. Come here guy. ID. Okay. So what I've told guy. So already I've created one string for it. So copy this. This I'm going to pass Java, right? Java, right? Yes. Then get what I've told. Sys out. What get? sb3 dot capacity. Yes or no? Guys, our answer should be 20. Yes or no? What I explained you in our what? Our notepad, right? What? 20. So let's see. I will run the application. We will see it's coming 20 or not. If 20 is coming, then our formula is 100% correct. I will show with other string. I will give other string, then I will check the result, right? Yes. Guys, see. First I will run the application. See the result. Guys, see. 20 coming or not? Yes, guys. 20 coming. That means what I explained, the formula it 100% correct or not. So sb dot length plus default capacity. For your cross verification, for your information, I am going to give here mind. Guys, see. Now our size of the string is 8 plus 16, 24. Okay. This time our result should be 24. Yes or no? Yes. Obviously it should be 24. Guys. Then you will understood. Yes. What Amit explained, it is 100% correct. Guys, see. Guys, see. 24. Coming or not? So guys, that is most important interview question. Interview question. Okay. Interview question. So guys, see, this much of knowledge if you have, definitely guys, you can explain anything about StringBuffer to the interviewer. Whatever they may ask, you can reply, but very confidently. Yes or no? Because most of the things of StringBuffer you know very well, right? That's it, guys, from this video. If you like my video, guys, so please like, share, subscribe. The guys who is coming first time in my YouTube channel, if you are like my video, guys, definitely, guys, before what going to this, before complete video, guys, first subscribe my channel, guys, because you will get such type of most important concept in my video, guys. In every video I am going to give some important concept what you don't know. Yes or no, guys? Before leaving this video, guys, please subscribe, like, and do me comment as well if you have any confusion. After watching this video, guys, at last Even if you have any confusion, please let me know in comment section. I will address your comment as well once I will get some time. So guys, in next video I will explain what all those important methods we have in our string buffer class. Till now we are good guys. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video with new concept. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.